Miraval is one of Montecito's classic estates, designed for optimum ocean and mountain views. The home was designed by George Washington Smith, one of the most famous architects in the country in the early 20s. Once called the father of the Spanish colonial revival style. Smith designed over 80 homes in Santa Barbara alone, including Casa del Herrero, Santa Barbara's Libero Theater, and this estate, Miraval. The home was designed and built for John A. Jameson, an attorney from Chicago who relocated to Montecito. Jameson established one of California's first zoning laws controlling lot sizes in residential areas. The current rural look of Montecito is largely due to Jameson's efforts during that time. The original grounds were designed by Lockwood DeForest, a well-known landscape architect during the early 1920s. The 5-acre estate is very spacious and extremely private. Some of the original landscape elements, such as the stone walls and the historic arbor, contribute to the estate's charm today. The property has multiple areas for outdoor entertaining that blends seamlessly with the interior, giving the estate its European feel. Not only are estates of this caliber extremely rare in Montecito, but it's even more rare that they become available for purchase. We are very proud to offer this exceptional property.